This is a very interesting case, skin disease. এই ছোট ফুটফুটে বাচ্চাটা, the child age about 4 years and 8 months, 40 years. ও 4, ভুল করছিলাম, আমি 40 বলে দিলাম। So 4 years and 8 months, suffering from a very peculiar type of skin disease, which is known as impetigo contagiosa. The name of the skin disease is impetigo contagiosa. Contagiosa. দেখাও কোথায় কোথায় আছে। So this is a very bad variety of skin disease. There are pustule formations here and there. He has been suffering for last 6 months. 4 months. So last 4 or 5 months, for which he had treated by the dermatologists. The dermatologist, as per direction of their treatment, he used some allopathic ointments and internal medications, but without no relief. They consulted to a homeopath, local homeopath. He prescribed many medicines, Berberis vulgaris, Echinacea mother, etc., etc. Number of medicines are there, but without no good result. However, they have come to me. What will be my prescription? The prescription is very easy to me, as I deal with the patient's symptomatology, considering the mental and the general symptoms. What does say the general symptoms of the patient? Catches cold very easily, সর্দি কাশি প্রায় লাগে। Desire for sweets, মিষ্টি খেতে ভালোবাসে বাচ্চাটি। Desire for cold food and cold drinks, desire for milk, thirstless, sometimes salivation, profuse perspiration, urine offensive, and mentally hurriness. Urine offensive, প্রস্রাবে গন্ধ আছে। Desire for sweets, মিষ্টি খেতে ভালোবাসে। ডু ইউ লাইক সুইটস? ডিজায়ার ফর সুইটস। এবং কাজকর্মে একটু তাড়াহুড়ো করে ভাত খাওয়া, চান করা, স্কুলে যাওয়া খুব তাড়াহুড়ো করতে চাও না আস্তে আস্তে করতে চাও? তাড়াহুড়ো করতে চাই। সো হারিনেস ইজ দেয়ার। দি ইটিং অ্যাগ্রাভেটস অ্যাট নাইট, চুলকানিটা রাত্রের দিকে বাড়ে। কখন বেশি চুলকায়? রাত্রের দিকে চুলকায় বিছানায় গেলে। সো ইটিং অ্যাগ্রাভেটস অ্যাট নাইট in bed. Show your tongue. The tongue is salivated, very much salivated. So salivated tongue, urine offensive, eating aggravates at night, and sometimes feverish at night. রাত্রের দিকে জ্বর ভাব আসে। So though the disease is impetigo contagiosa matters little to me, because being a homeopath, I should look after the patient as a whole, not the disease. And you know this disease is impetigo contagiosa. From my dermatology book, I am showing the pictures once again. This is termed the impetigo contagiosa. These are the superficial pustules or ulcer formation with crust formation and pus formation. It may be widespread or locally, and it is common in children. So the choice of medicine is mercurius. So mercurius is the choice of medicine, and I do like prescribe mercurius in 50 millisiemens scale of potencies, starting from 0 by 1, 2, 3, 4, twice in a day, morning. So Mercurius is the choice of medicine. The video is kept under my mobile. It will published in the what is called YouTube, and I shall show you the next follow-up of the case, my friends. I do believe by alone Mercurius, the child will be totally cured. Thank you very much.